Lesson 5. In Lesson 2, we learnt about 3 types of notes. The semibreve or whole note, which has a 4-beat value. A minim or half note, which has a 2-beat value. And the crotchet or quarter note, which has a 1-beat value. Therefore, 1 semibreve would be equal to 2 minims, which in turn is equal to 4 crotchets in time value. Let's have a look at one way in which these 3 types of notes can be used to write a rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This sounds rather boring. So when we add a pitch to each of these notes, we are then able to write a tune. Pitch is the aspect of a note that we whistle, hum, sing, or play on an instrument. Pitch is the high or lowness of a note. C, 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 D, E, D, C, E, D, D, C. These notes now have time value and pitch. Musicians know where to find these notes on their instruments. We can also write the same tune using different notes. Notice the direction of the note stems. F, 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 G, A, G, F, A, G, G, F. If you listen to a piece of music, any piece, one's natural reaction is to tap your feet or perhaps nod your head to the rhythm or beat. What is it about music that causes one to do this? We have learnt that a note has time value and pitch. Neither of these qualities would cause one to tap or nod. A third note quality is the reason that we nod or tap to the music. This quality is an accent. An accent is the emphasis or stress placed on certain notes or group of notes. Music is generally arranged in 2, 3, or 4 time. In 2 time, the accent is placed on the first note. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 time gives the music a march-like quality. In 3 time, the accent is placed on the first note again. The most popular use of 3 time is the waltz. In 4 time, the main accent is on beat 1 with a slight accent on 3. Four time is the most common. Listen to any piece of music. See if you can determine the time being used. To show if the time of a piece of music is 2, 3, or 4 time, we need to understand the following. Each type of note is given a number. The semibreve is one whole note. The minim is half the time value of a whole note. The number 2 is used to indicate a minim. The crotchet is a quarter the time value of a whole note. The number 4 is used to indicate a crotchet. Have a look at this piece of music. The note value used for each beat is the crotchet or quarter note, or number 4. This number therefore is written after the G clef at the beginning of the staff. There are 4 crotchet beats in each measure or bar. This number therefore is written above the previous number. The top number tells us how many beats there are in each measure or bar. The bottom number tells us that each beat is a crotchet or quarter note value. These two numbers at the start of all written music is called the time signature. The time signature above is referred to as 4/4 time. 4/4 time is also called common time. This common time symbol is used to indicate 4/4 time. In this music segment, each beat is equal to a crotchet time value. We place the number 4 at the bottom after the clef. There are 3 beats in each measure or bar, so we write the number 3 above the 4. This time signature is called 3/4 time. In this next music segment, each beat once again is equal to a crotchet or quarter note value. We then write the number 4 after the clef. There are 2 beats in each measure or bar. We then write the number 2 above the 4. This time signature is referred to as 2/4 time. The same applies if the beat value is a minim or half note or 2. 2/2 time is also called cut time. This symbol is also used to indicate cut time. Please remember to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Remember that at the end of these lessons you can download practice sheets